Well, I'm finishing up installing this rear rack on a 2024 MT-07. I bought this from Revzilla, and you can buy it straight from Yamaha. Let's see. So these parts will not be used. I think I've seen some videos where people still use them, but they have to do like some sort of trick or something. But I'm finishing up. This is how it looks. I haven't finished yet, but not an easy setup for somebody that doesn't do this quite often, but not a bad one either. If you follow the instructions, and this is for the piece, for this one, so the F48D0-V0. If you follow the instructions, you should be okay. I've never done this before, and it was straightforward. So pretty much you have to take these bolts from underneath here. That was a little bit painful at the beginning. I used a Victorinox to do that. So I took them out, and then you have to take these 4 out over here. So we see here 1, 2, 3, and 4. You take them out, then you come over here, and with your key, you take the rear seat out, and then you take these 2 bolts out, and you're able to then take this whole seat, the rider seat, out. Then you're gonna take this bolt out, this bolt out, this one out, this one out, and this one out. Then you take this whole thing out, and of course you do the same for the other side as well. With those things out, then you take these out. Then it comes with a cover, so that hole is covered, so it doesn't look like there's something in there. I've seen some people on the internet that they have left this in here somehow, but it's like touching this other part over here, and I don't know. I just thought I'd just do what the instructions said. So that's how it looks. About to be done. I just put these ones in here. They set in a specification of, I think it was like 20 pounds or some, or let me see. So in here it says install. So 14.8 feet or foot per pound. Okay. And so I did that, and now I'm almost done. I'm gonna put everything back, and I'm gonna show you guys how it looks in the end. Okay, so here's how it looks in the 2024 MT-07. The rear rack from Yamaha. I have not bought the storage yet. I'm trying to decide between the 34L and 45L, I believe, are the options. So that's how it looks. I didn't need to do any destruction of the bike, any configuration with anything. It was straightforward, and that's how it looks. These are how these parts end up. Yep.